Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get verified on LinkedIn in 2025. So, step 1 is simply opening any browser on your PC and logging into your LinkedIn account using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the LinkedIn's dashboard where you'll be at default on home. Now, click on the Me icon at the top right of the screen and choose View Profile button, and this is going to take you to this page. Now, here what you're going to do is click on the Add Verification Badge button just after your name. When you click on that button, it will show up this page that says you'll have to use your mobile device to verify. So follow the directions to verify your identity using DigiLocker on your mobile device. So the LinkedIn app is required for this. You'll have to simply navigate to your mobile phone, then download the LinkedIn app and open the camera app on your phone. Then scan the QR that is available just right here. Then follow the steps on your phone that will be provided after scanning this link. So LinkedIn offers two main ways to verify your account. You can verify with Clear for ID verification. Click Verify with Clear, that is only available in some regions, and you will need to upload a government issued ID and take a live selfie. Once submitted, LinkedIn will review your info and approve your verification in 24 to 48 hours. Now, second way is verifying with Microsoft Entra for work email verification. So if you have a company email, select the Verify with Microsoft Entra, then LinkedIn will send a verification email to your work email. Then click the confirmation link inside the email to verify instantly and check your verified badge. So once approved, you will see a blue verification badge on your profile just right here. Your account will now appear more trustworthy and professional to recruiters and connections. And that's it. That's how you get verified on LinkedIn in 2025. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.